Hey, what's up? Akpak here, and today we're gonna be taking a look on how to uninstall your hard drive. It's quite easy. Um, so yeah, this is after commentary. So yeah, so what you gotta do is just read. If you have this black bar type thingy on top of your hard drive, all you gotta do is pretty much read it. For mine, all I gotta do is push it back, and then the hard drive can slide up. So this one's an easy one, but my computer one is actually more easier. All you gotta do is just unscrew a bunch of screws, and that's pretty much it. So what you want to do is remember these two cables if you're not a computer person. But all what you can do is just put them like, I think I do it here. What you can do is put them in like a slot so that they hold it. Just yeah. That's like what I did. And now what you gotta do is unscrew the four screws that are on the metal plate on your hard drive. Those four screws. I skipped ahead. So there we go. We have unscrewed them. So all you gotta do now is just slide it out, and you got your hard drive, which you can sell, and or you can replace it with a better one, like a terabyte or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's quite easy. It's Akpak, and I felt like making this video really quickly. So thanks for watching. Peace out, boys.